Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get a voided check from Wells Fargo online, okay? Now this is the official FAQ by the way from them, and what you need to do is basically first you just need to sign in to your Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone or your tablet, sign into your account, and then you just locate your account details, okay, for which you need the voided check. And then here you basically go ahead and find the account info or voided check within account details. And then you go get an option to basically just go ahead and select and download, okay, this right there. So you can just save the image to your device. You can print it directly from the app if that is available, okay? And basically when you view or download the voided check image, it will already be marked as void. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.